Hi! In front of me is an Android 13 and today I would like to show you how you can manage auto rotation on this device. First of all, access tab menu and look for auto rotate shortcut. When you find it, click on it. As you can see, mine is black. That means that auto rotation is disabled, but you can always enable it by clicking on the same shortcut again. If you wish to, you can go into settings as well and tap on display section after scrolling down. Then scroll down again and click on this sweater next to auto rotate screen. If it's gray, that means that auto rotation is off, but you can always turn it back on by choosing this same one. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!